On the 15th of March 2023, the Minister of Health, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, and accompanied by officials of the Health Department, had inspected the Oncology Wing of the Civil Hospital, Shillong. Lyngdoh was able to interact with cancer patients who were admitted in the particular ward of the hospital. While commenting on the fact that cancer is considered to be one of the killer diseases, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh informed that the government of Meghalaya is all set with an aggressive mission towards fighting, prevention and eradication of the disease from the state.
Today's inspections at the operational cancer wing of the civil hospital has been a big eye-opener for me personally. I am aware that there were a lot of unanswered questions about when this cancer institute in the civil hospital complex become fully operational, and as you yourself saw that tremendous efforts put in to ensure that we are reaching out to patients across the board, across gender, across ages and age groups, because it has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they are well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this cancer institute as well. That we now have to inculcate this ability to not just react after cancer has been detected. They've just started a new program where it has been recently launched only for the East Khasi Hills region, where the largest number of detections have been found. So this free testing, screening program has taken off, and of over 2,000 people have already been screened in about 200 camps. They will upscale these screening camps as well and extend these screening facilities even to other parts of the state. But because the East Khasi Hills region has registered the highest numbers of registered cancer patients, this project takes off from East Khasi Hills. Now, how does this work? They're going to be screening for multiple under multiple parameters for detection of cancer, so that you have early detection, early treatment, and overcome cancer right from a very early stage. Because most of the patients that are actually now under the facilities available here in the Cancer Wing and Civil Hospital have come at a very late stage.
The head of the Oncology Wing of the Civil Hospital, Shillong, Dr. Anisha Mawlong, while speaking to the gathering, informed that the department has both indoor and daycare facilities to take care of the treatment of patients with the disease. Referring to northeastern India as a cancer capital, Dr. Mawlong said that the department in the hospital is doing its best to detect cancer in its early form in order to prevent the disease from progressing to later stages.
Met several times when the cancer wing was under construction, the repair work was going on, and it was every time under process. So right now the cancer wing is ready with the indoor facility, the daycare facility, and the indoor facility we have 90 beds, and we're catering to all the cancer patients, which includes chemotherapy, radiotherapy, palliative care services, screening services. The radiotherapy setup will be coming very soon, which the tendering is not in our hand, it is being done by Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, and we are getting a linear accelerator, single energy linear accelerator and a city simulator. Presently the radiotherapy is being done from the old civil hospital building with the telecobalt machine that has been serving the state for since 2006. So, and in addition, we are not only talking about treatment, we are also talking about preventing cancer and early detection of cancer in the state, because we need to reduce the cancer burden, as we all know that the country stands first in tobacco-related cancer, and we stand second in males and 11th in females in all cancers in the country. That is our ranking, and we should not be proud of the ranking of our country in cancer, because it is high time that we wake up. The Northeast is the cancer capital of the country, and our state is also coming very high in this ranking. And as we know that tobacco use is very rampant in our state, and where we have to encourage, go from the people who have never used it to the school children. That is where we're going to target now, because people who have already consumed, I know it's not easy, when you have a habit, it's not easy to really give up a habit, but then we should target our youths who have not started, and they should know the ill effects of tobacco. And whatever campaigns or whatever mission that we want to take up now, we do not expect to see the result immediately, but I hope in the next 10 to 15 years we will have a Meghalaya with a lesser burden of cancer. Even at civil is already fully functional. It's not that we are not doing any services. We are already doing radiotherapy, we are already doing chemotherapy, and all the other cancer surgery, everything is being done. But it's just we are upgrading our radiotherapy services.